Spacers are being used to convert old cassettes to newer hubs. If you are upgrading to a bigger hub, there's a good chance that you will need to install a spacer to fill the gap. The 7-speed cassette is narrower and won't fit on other hubs without spacer. The 8, 9, 10-speed cassettes are interchangeable. The width is very close to the same, so that they can be used on the same hub or bigger hubs with a spacer. The 11-speed cassette cannot fit on smaller hub without any modifications. So what spacer do I need to make it fit? You need 4.5mm spacer to fit 7-speed cassette on 8, 9, 10-speed hubs. 1.8mm spacer to fit 8, 9, 10-speed cassettes on 11-speed hubs. And 6.3mm spacers to fit 7-speed cassette on 11-speed hubs. Let's go ahead and install the 1.8mm spacer on the 11-speed hub.